Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the search feature in Microsoft Teams. This powerful tool helps you quickly locate people, messages, and files across your entire workspace, saving you valuable time when you need to find something specific. Let's start by looking at the top of your Teams interface. You'll notice a search bar prominently displayed there. This is your gateway to finding anything within Teams, whether it's a colleague you need to contact, an important message from last week, or a document someone shared with you. The search functionality is incredibly versatile and can help you navigate through tons of information in seconds. First, let's try searching for a person. In the search bar, type in the name of someone you're looking for. For this example, we'll search for Tutorial Labs. As you type, Teams will start suggesting results, but let's wait until we complete our search to see the full results. Once you hit Enter or finish typing, you'll see different categories appear. Since we're trying to find a person, make sure to click on the People category. This filters your results to show only contacts and users, which makes it much easier to find exactly who you're looking for without sifting through messages or files. Now, let's switch gears and try searching for a message. Clear the search bar and type in a word or phrase you remember from a conversation. For our example, let's search for hello. This will bring up all instances where that word appears across your Teams channels and chats. To narrow down these results, click on Messages in the category filters. Now, you can see all the messages that contain the word hello. This is particularly useful when you remember what was said but can't recall which channel or chat it was in. Teams displays these messages with context, so you can quickly jump to the exact conversation. Next, let's explore how to search for files. Type in a file name you're looking for. In this case, we'll search for Tutorial Sample. As before, Teams will generate results across multiple categories. Click on Files to filter your search specifically for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files. Now, you can see any file that contains Tutorial Sample in its name. This is incredibly helpful when you need to locate a document that was shared in a meeting or channel but you can't remember exactly where it was posted. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively use the search functionality in Microsoft Teams to find people, messages, and files quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.